Check it out, guys. Toothpick here. We're in Leavenworth, Indiana. Got my main man Sam here.
What's going on, guys?
We're gonna be cooking some pork tenderloins here for everybody up here in the EMS community. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna make it dang good and have a dang good time. Stick with us.
Hey guys, it's Sam Cornett with Crawford County Ambulance Service. This is our new South Station back here behind us. We were out of the Leavenworth Firehouse for about 5 years, and then our county commissioners came together with our director, Tim Ferris, and they got us this new station, totally renovated, top of the line, best of the best. We got one of our brand new trucks out here. Normally we're busy, out saving lives, trying to make the best things happen for the community. But today we're gonna kick back and relax and have some fun. We got the Dano seasoning crew that came out to hang out with us today, cook for us. We're gonna have a good time with Dano's crew today.
To correctly pop your trigger finger.
Pop the trigger.
Grab your bottle. You'll hear it. You'll hear. You want to get the. Yeah, there you go.
There we
Get
go.
that right there. Okay.
Oh, you get that pop on there.
So
yeah.
what you're gonna do is you're gonna cover that in original. Now, because we're low sodium and all natural, do not be afraid to get yourself a good coating on there.
Is this a race, or are we just gonna?
There's no race. You
There's
don't
no
wanna,
race?
You don't want
rush
to. You don't want to rush flavor. Flavor's going to do its own thing. There's no reason to rush. What's important is that you get a good coating of flavor on the pork.
I'm with you. I think I got you, buddy.
You might.
Listen to that pop.
Why do I feel like this is a race? We just said it wasn't a race.
You said it wasn't a race, but everything's a competition.
I like it.
I think that's just going to be just, what'd you say, Dan good?
Dan-O-Mite, Dan good. We got so many Dan puns.
What's the one thing you hear? Well, you're using an awful lot of it. Look at that. You did not use that much of that spice, guys. Not at all. But look at all that flavor you got. Woo!
All right, guys, let's take it to the smoker. Now, I'm going to say I want to go probably the second shelf down there. I think that's where I'm going to go with this one. Well, what are you thinking?
I like mine smoky, man. I'm going to go for the top.
You know what? There we go.
Is that what you're going with too?
That's what I'm going with. No flavor left behind. We're gonna give it an hour and a half at 225. Let's see what happens.
Hi guys, I'm Ashley Armstrong with Leavenworth Fire Department and Crawford County EMS. Just want to give you a friendly reminder to keep your grills clean. The excess grease built up can cause grease fires, so clean them up.
I'm Jared Conrad. I work for Crawford County EMS, and I'm also a captain on the local fire department. Been there for 25 years. So we're going to give you a little tip on the grease fire. If your pan catches on fire and you have grease in there, the simplest and easiest way to put it out, pick up your lid and put it on there. Leave it there. If you have a towel, put a towel over it. Don't throw water on it. Even baking soda will work. Smother it out. That's our tip for the grease fire.
Here's the sauce that you have been waiting for that dang good pork loin that you've seen on the smoker. You have no idea what this does to your taste buds, but I'm telling you what, it's like little Mario and Super Mario Brothers. Yow! You're gonna love it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a decent amount of sour cream in here. You do the same with yours there, sir.
All right, buddy. Make it happen. This isn't a competition either, right?
No.
Okay.
No, in fact, you want to take your time mixing it up and let that flavor work itself in. You want to get you a nice big old scoop of that horseradish there. Pop the top on your Danos.
Oh, here we go.
Now, you remember that trick I taught you earlier?
I remember that trigger
old
finger.
Pop.
I remember that trigger finger.
Well, give yourself a good pop in there. Give you a nice coating in there. Now, you want to do this to taste. Best part about Danos, you're not going to overdo it. You're just adding more flavor. We're just going to start mixing it up.
This is where that love comes in, right?
Right. Take your little fork, get you a little bit on there.
I'm thinking that is Dan good.
Thinking you Dan right. Yep, I can get down with that. Go ahead and grab you that piece of original there,
Got
sir.
that, buddy. Let's do it.
We'll put a little bit of the original on the original piece of pork loin. The taste test commences.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, bud. Juicy, tender, packed full of flavor. The boss sauce there.
That is
What do
the
you think?
secret. I think that's good. That's real good.
Let's try the spicy, guys.
This is where I'm at. Right here, this is by far the favorite for me.
Juicy and tender as can be.
That's gonna be real good.
Here we go again.
Cheers. You don't know till you Dan-O.
You damn right. That's out of this damn
I'm
world.
with it. Absolutely amazing.
That's what we call doing the damn thing.
Dan-O-Mite.
That's right.
We're talking about a little bit of grill safety. Last thing you want is a fire. You want to keep these guys about 5 feet away from your house. Don't overload it. Take your time. Fire extinguisher. You gotta have one. Even the police department knows it. And always protect your flavor with some Dan-O's.
So on behalf of Dan-O Seasoning, I'd like to thank you guys for letting us come up here, cook y'all some dang good food, have a dang good time, throw some dang cornhole.
We appreciate you guys coming. It means a lot to us.
The important people of Crawford County are doing the damn thing.